that BJP's 4-member fact-finding team has arrived in Kolkata. This panel will examine the crime scene and they will submit the report to the BJP chief JP Nadda accordingly. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the latest that's coming in. Remember, the BJP has been lashing out at the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal, saying, why are women not safe? Repeated incidents and repeated crimes against women being perpetrated in the state, and the accused somehow are linked to Trinamool Congress one way or the other. The BJP questioning that. In fact, that 4-member team currently in Kolkata, they are going to be submitting a report to JP Nadda as well.
देखिए, सवाल तो एकदम बहुत ही स्पष्ट हैं। जिस प्रकार से पश्चिम बंगाल के अंदर महिलाएं असुरक्षित होती जा रही हैं। पिछले वर्ष भी आपको मालूम है कि आरजी कार मेडिकल कॉलेज के अंदर जिस प्रकार से इस प्रकार का दुष्कर्म हुआ था, उससे पूरे प्रदेश के अंदर जिस प्रकार से वहाँ की जो सरकार है, टीएमसी की जो सरकार, उसके खिलाफ कितने आंदोलन हुए, कितना पब्लिक को सफ़र करना पड़ा। अभी लॉ कॉलेज के अंदर ऐसा हुआ है और टीएमसी के उनके जो लोग हैं, जो मेन जो उसका आरोपी बताया जाता है, और टीएमसी का सदस्य रहा, अभी भी हैं। दूसरे लोगों के बारे में मैं नहीं एग्जैक्टली कह सकता नहीं है। तो किस प्रकार का, जिस प्रकार की बयानबाजी वहाँ के टीएमसी के नेताओं के द्वारा की जा रही है, बेटी जो है कलकत्ता की बेटी हो या वेस्ट बंगाल के उत्सव की बेटी है, इसके ऊपर राजनीति करना नहीं है, ये उनके माइंडसेट को दर्शाता है।
All right, let me go across to Sabyasachi, my colleague. Sabyasachi, the BJP, of course, has been upping the ante against the Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal, asking questions that perhaps a lot of people in the state have. What about law and order? What about women's safety? At the moment, a fact-finding team is there. What is their agenda? What are they going to be doing there?
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has been talking about the law and order situation in the state of West Bengal. In fact, the BJP also has been highlighting that in the month of August, it will be 1 year of the horrific RG Kar rape and murder case. And before that, another shocking incident has happened in the state of West Bengal, and time and again, be it Sandesh Khali or Kasba Medical College rape case or RG Kar murder and rape case, several such atrocities has been taking against women in the state of West Bengal. Now, the fact-finding team of the BJP, which has reached Kolkata, they would be going to the crime spot, as well as they would be speaking to the police commissioner of Kolkata to know about the investigation, what the Kolkata police has made progress so far. Now, it will be interesting to note whether the police commissioner meets the BJP fact-finding team or not, because from our sources what we are picking is that the police commissioner has told the delegation that he would not be able to meet with the fact-finding team of the Bharatiya Janata Party today. Maybe the meeting will take place tomorrow, but we have to wait and see. But yesterday also there was a lot of drama when the NCW member Archana Majumdar had gone to the crime spot. There was chaos. The police did not allow her to visit this crime spot. So literally the BJP has time and again has been raising up this issue that the Trinamool Congress has degraded the law and order situation in the state of West Bengal, and that is the reason why the BJP this time says that they don't want any sort of apology from the Trinamool Congress or from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. They want her resignation this time.
All right, let's tell you viewers that Times Now has confronted the vice principal of the law college on these particular allegations of the students. The vice principal distanced herself from Monojit. She claimed that she was merely an employee of the institution and that Monojit's appointment was done at the direction of the governing body president. As per her, Monojit was brought on a temporary basis for just 45 days, and she had no role in extending his presence on campus beyond that.
I am a mere employee only. I have appointed that culprit, Monojit Mishra. But please wait for something. Correct. For legal procedure, I will submit every evidence that Noina Chatterjee has not appointed Monojit Mishra or other casual staffs or any temporary staff. It has been directed by GB, and GB has guided me after 45 days. vice principal has been empowered to renew the appointment. College hours is 9 to 4, and you can see. Let me finish. You can see my notice is also there, but very often students, the students, they are demonstrating now. Some of the students, 2 weeks before also they get me. They want to stay and do the work, and they have the permission from the GB to do their work.
All right, shifting focus.